Hey guys, so today I wanted to give you a really quick, like last minute Halloween and you just don't have that much time makeup look, okay? This is how you can take a basic makeup look. Not that this is basic, what? I'm wearing a black smoky eye and red lip. But you can literally do this to any makeup look and make it Halloween. We're gonna be doing a skull. I love a classic skull. I haven't done a skull in a really long time. So the one product that you need is either like a creamy, but not too creamy, gray and or brown eyeliner, or your brow pencil, depending on like what color your brows are. I'm gonna be using the I believe this is the medium shade from the brand Refi. This is great because it's like creamy enough. It's also not like too creamy that it's gonna go all over the place. And it's super duper tiny, so precision, you know? So the first thing that I'm gonna do is kind of extend my eyebrows up like this. Okay, so I'm using a brow pencil. So obviously it's gonna work. So I'm gonna do that first and then just kind of blend it into my brows. Then I'm gonna trace from the bottom of the brow and I'm gonna create the eye socket. So I'm just gonna sketch down through here, and then I'm gonna follow my like natural eye socket. So kind of like around my dark circles, just sort of tracing. And I'm just using really light sketching motions here. And then from the hollow, I'm just gonna trace it up. And then I'm just going to basically close that off with my brow. Okay, super easy, step one. Next up, nose. I'm just going to kind of like follow my natural nose contour a little bit. I'm gonna draw a little situation here, like this. Okay, like that. And then for around my lips, I want to create the illusion of teeth, but I got bomb ass lipstick, dude, you know? And I want to eat and not like fuck up my teeth. So I'm gonna draw them around as if they're basically like the roots of the teeth, but it's gonna be the teeth. Basically creating these like triangle shapes. And I think they look cooler, honestly, if they're not like super even. I'm gonna do the same thing for the bottom, below. I'm gonna keep them a little bit smaller. And then from the edge of my mouth, I'm going to draw up like this, and then scoop it underneath my cheekbone all the way up, like that. Okay, so this is option number one, right? You can just stop right here, keep it super simple. If you have a white eyeliner, you can go in with this, or like a white gel liner, really add definition to the teeth. So I'm basically just gonna fill in these areas. What is this? This is ColourPop Exit. All right, guys, this is option two. Third option is if you have enough time and you want to do just a little bit of blending, you can either use just a brush or you can pick up a little bit of your contour color and blend around the edges of the brow pencil that we put down. So I'm going to pick up my Wayne Goss contour color and a little brush, and I'm just going to blend around these edges just to kind of soften it. So basically just shading and adding a little bit of dimension. but only in certain areas. So we're keeping it more of a line drawing here. And then a little bit between the teeth. All right, guys, that's it. Super quick. 1 to 3 products, depending, you know, could be 2 products. And it literally goes with anything that you typically wear. Your lips are, you don't even have to wear lipstick. You can just like do this around like natural lips so that you don't have to worry about like eating and drinking and messing stuff up. I hope this was helpful. It's super easy, so just keep that in mind. And I'm sorry that I didn't get more like elaborate stuff this year. It's been a crazy month, but I promise next year I'll be more prepared. Yeah. Happy Halloween. I hope that you have something fun planned, and let me know if you do this. Bye.